Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a walk animation. This is a walk animation tutorial step by step. So there's three poses to an animation. The first pose, the second pose, and the third pose. But let's start for like the let's make it like shorter for like beginners. So you only get like these two these poses, okay? So here's the first pose, where the person has this arm up and like in a walking pose, and the foot is like gonna slanted and this is up. And then there's a second pose where both of the legs and feet meet, and it's doing it's not a ball. So okay, and in order to do this cycle, you just put these two together and then copy paste it again, but then reverse it. So let's just see it all in order. Oh god. Here it is. Here is the finish animation thing. So we could call this done, but in order to look more lively, we have to have one more pose. So there's three poses to an animation. Okay. So there's the first pose, which we explained. The second pose, which we explained again, and then there's. Okay, we didn't explain this pose because so this pose where it has to like go and look a little down. The arms have to be closer together, and this is the and then you have to kind of do this, and then it has to be like very close with the legs like that. And it has to be and you have to like move the head down a bit, and then we will explain this one. We also make it more down, and then this is everything together. See, it looks more lively, more alive. Okay. But I don't know what I did with this one. But if you don't like add the little like going up and down thing with the head, it just looks very bland and it doesn't look very well. As you can tell, just very bland. Nothing moving, and it's just very bad. So if you don't do it, it's just bad like this. Okay. So so in the next video, I still have time. I'm gonna think of something. So I'll try to think of something. If I don't think of something, I'll end the video. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I've thought of it, and I don't really think I need to add anything else. So peace out.